To install a microprocessor and heatsink, align the microprocessor with the socket and carefully place the microprocessor on the socket. Close the microprocessor bracket frame. Close the microprocessor retention latch. Align the heatsink so that the arrows on the label point toward the DIMMs and place the heatsink on top of the microprocessor with the thermal grease side down. Align the screws on the heatsink with the screw holes in the system board. Tighten the screws with a screwdriver, alternating among the screws until they are tight. If possible, each screw should be rotated 2 full rotations at a time.